So today I'm picking out my fit for work tomorrow. Let's see what we got. So I got my beautiful queen helping me. Y'all don't pay attention to the hair. I slept like this. I was thinking about my Truey jeans too. Yeah. Where you at? Not these. Though I love these. You're not really gonna be able to see the detail, the corduroy on this one. But my baggy ones. It's my Rock Revivals. Shot with me and my Salesforce Buckle if you're trying to get a pair. Link in the description. These Truey collision. True. They the truth. I was also thinking about that one too, but wearing the shirt backwards. That's my favorite one. What is this? We got some olive green cargos, some burgundy chinos. But this is the main star of the show right here. Y'all ain't see this yet. I was supposed to do an unboxing for this, but shit, I was so excited I couldn't wait. It's straight pressure. This is like a 3X overcoat, but the way it sits on my body, on my silhouette, boy, this shit fire. Yeah, I thought about that shirt earlier today too. So many different options, you know. Okay, I see where you're going with that because of the metallic. That might be the one. Hold up. So far, I think I'm liking this combo here. Got this True Religion shirt with these jeans. They got the gold metallic in it. I want to see how it looks. And then I was thinking about the boots.
I just have to pick a different one.
I need the right accessories. So I got this cowrie necklace right here.
But I definitely think you should put the core shells, see what the vibe is like. Around the leg or around your head, over the headscarf.
Let's give it a hold. Which reminds me. This is a big car show. Excuse me. In the mall.
Like in 10 minutes?
Bro.